Welcome to RealEye video tutorial. This video will show you how to create, run and analyze an eye tracking study. After signing up or signing in, you'll see your dashboard. In this place, you can create a new study by choosing New Study. Above, you can see the 5-step study timeline. In the first step, you can name your study and set advanced options, but those will be presented and discussed in another video. Let's create a study called Overview and press Next. Here we can add items, images or URLs. Let's put our first item, image from computer. We can set the option for image, like display time, but this will be discussed in more details in the next video about advanced options. To add another item, click an orange plus and put another image or URL. Remember that RealEye platform will make a screenshot from the given URL page. It will not be displayed as a live website. After uploading all items and setting options for each of them, you can preview the study and see it as one of the testers to make sure that everything is exactly as planned. Then simply press Next button and choose the amount of RealEye and your own testers. If you don't have enough, you can buy more, but this option is not available for basic plan. We're now on the third step of a study timeline. You can see how many testers you have chosen and an invitation URL. Copy given link to send it to your testers. While waiting for the results, you can learn how to analyze data in our support center. When the first results will appear, you'll receive an email with the study dashboard URL. You'll be able to see items with their settings. By clicking View, you can see its heat maps, recent recordings, invitation test URL, and some basic statistics and action buttons. To see if there are any new results, simply refresh the page and they will appear. Once all testers did the test, you can close the study. Click the Finish Study button. You can finish the study at any time, regardless of the number of testers. This is the last step of a study timeline. Click on the tester to see recording, a video of tester gaze representation over all the items. Here you can see testers' data from any survey. Change tester or click the heat map to analyze data. You can also go back at the study page and click View button on the item to see its heat map. You can select testers or see aggregated data, make an area of interest or customize your view. For more info, please see our next video, Advanced Settings, or go to our support page. Thank you for your attention.